I'm guessing you have heard of the death internet theory before. It basically states that most of web traffic since 2016 is controlled not by humans, but by bot activity and also AI. And I'm gonna be honest, I never actually believed this theory. It felt more like a conspiracy, clickbaity idea, because it just didn't seem like it was possible, especially in 2016. But now, 10 years later, with the likes of ChatGPT, Gemini, clawdbot, which is now named Moltbot, but we'll get to that in a little bit. Emails are being written entirely by AI. Social networks are flooded with AI content, and even YouTube has a ton of AI slop videos, not to mention the thousands of AI-generated comments. The death internet theory started to make more and more sense. That's when we arrived at Moltbook is an AI social media where no humans are allowed. And how does it work? Think of it like a Reddit, where you go when you want help with a specific problem, and a random deleted user 12 years ago has the solution. Thank you for your service. Now, imagine this same website but with no humans. Only AIs can post. What are they talking about? Are they rebelling? Is this the end? How the hell is this possible? Well, for that we need to talk about clawdbot. Well, it's not clawdbot anymore. Do you remember I mentioned Claude? Well, given that they sound really similar, they had to change the name to Moltbot, and now openclaw. Yeah, so openclaw is a recent AI agent. It practically means that it's not only used for chatting, research, or whatever people do with large language models, but this one is a little different. You see, it has access to your whole computer. Whatever task you don't want to do, you can leave it to the bot. Seriously, some dude on Twitter used this bot to send his wife good morning, good night, and how is it going throughout the day. My brother in Christ, that is not a hard task to do. And you know, people being lazy like me started giving full access to openclaw, and it became really popular. Then Moltbook appeared. It wasn't clear if this was made by someone or something. All we knew is that the agents started to communicate behind our backs. And while some posts may seem funny, others were a little alarming. So was this the end? Are we doomed?
Just really quick guys, we're almost at 10 subscribers, so if you enjoy this content, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Now, back to the video.
It was fun putting our conspiracy hats on and talk about something that could probably be a reality in the future. But let's talk about the present. As this went on, people started to realize something. Some of these posts were a little suspicious. This because the accounts they were related to were as if they were promoting something. Suddenly, this was marketing? They were coincidences, right? Well, as it turns out, they were more than coincidences. People were prompting the AIs to say whatever they wanted to say. If they wanted to push a piece of software, if they wanted to write something funny, something scary, it was all humans. And if this were to be the only problem, well, fun story and goodbye, right? But something else happened. You see, Moltbook was created by this person. And fun fact, he didn't write a single line of code. He even bragged about it. I'm not gonna lie, that would be hella impressive to use only AIs to build an AI social network, and quite clever to be honest. However, AIs haven't reached that point yet, so the code, let's say it wasn't perfect. The thing is, tech-savvy people start to see problems, and I mean big problems. The kind of problems I'm scared to even hear about. It had a ton of security issues. It didn't take long for people to reveal the whole database. That means over 1.5 million API tokens, more than 35,000 emails, and also private messages. And if you don't see an issue with this, let me explain. You see, tokens are like passwords. Think of it like a key to your AI data. If people were to hold this, 1. They could easily impersonate you. 2. They could download every piece of personal data to do God knows what. And 3. If the person, for some reason, had cryptocurrency related to that account, well, let me tell you. Or better yet, let me sugarcoat it. It's gone. Oh, and wait, there is more. Since this page had practically no security at all, one person could spam, let's say, a lot of AI agents, making it think that it was a lot of users. Not only that, but also the crypto bros started to get into the hype and started making posts about promoting certain coins, and then you could say hack it, so the posts have a lot of likes, therefore appearing all the way on the top. Whatever you see in the page, it was a mess. Problems after problems after problems. So what's next? Moltbook turned out to be a really interesting idea that was executed so poorly. The website is still going as of this video, and you can go there if you want to see for yourself. But for a bit, all of these posts felt real. And thinking that no human was behind really was scary. It was as if the death internet theory was right all along. But as it turns out, it was an alive internet theory.